This video is switch problem consciousness. So, consciousness needs to move two products. One called from and two on the sleep products. Consciousness sleep, yes, but consciousness rest, because your processing is rest. Your brain is rest. Your brain is this is one of the times when I call it switch problem is hemispheric 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 of course in today's date is the foot of several stars and this is good hemispherical. The time now is the hemispheric problem of consciousness is the sleep problem or the knowledge problem, the knowledge problem. So consciousness needs a physical computer. A classic computer has a skill for one or off. When you switch computer on, start using it, and it starts working, it starts calculating. Essentially what I mean is rebooting, you can have on or off. As programming any app is open or closed. On or off. Things that you can do, you able to on or off any inputs. You set up the results on and off. Switches on and off. So, the problem is it problem like this? Why is it because consciousness is not like that. This is what you have in your brain. Somebody involved instead of being. So the movement is going to storage for them. So if I store something in a computer and turn it on, so instead of the storage computer turn on, that will just turn on. But it's more of a problem to turn it on. It's easy to turn it on, but if you start working on knowing stuff, so just to put it just to start doing do a measurement or do a measurement or something like that. Just to stick something to the measurement and start superposition and start different stuff. So start doing interference and stuff. So just have something that works for you and me. So the entry. So you can have two steps. You can have this called the flash was storage is the flash. So this is stabilize your allocated bytes to your system. You put a filter for storage. So your working filter flash. Now working filter you can flash are the same thing. And then you do a flash is also you do a working filter. That means your storage is still and you do a flash in your screen. This is a flash use. This is a filter flash use. You need to work a flash. Working filter filters. So why is it problem important? So if you get problem, you have a switch problem, because you have a half switch problem in computers. Now, the half switch problem is the same thing with computers. We have filter flash. So you have something that's half on. It's half on. It's a superposition of on and off. Superposition of on and off. It's half on. It's half on. It's in your drink. So I want to talk about just for my own sake. It's half on. It's half off. So which lies we can't think of the reference is basically half on. What's the reason? This solution half on and half off. Half off. You get the magnetic memory model. So this is gonna be a little bit more. It's gonna look at kind of how it's gonna sleep sleep products. So I'm going to say very well. So sleep. When you sleep, you have you start sleep, you're half dead, you're half dead, you're half dead. If you're sleeping, you're half dead, you're half dead. You're not dead, you're half dead. Because the brain is trying to rest. That's basically the rest mode. if you're half sleep, you are half. If you're in a sleep state, you are half alive and half dead. Okay. Well, this half dead is what you observe. You observe the dead state. But the present space of the life, that's what you half. You don't rest. You're half resting. If you're high, you're resting. You're half resting. This is rest. You're half alive. You're resting. You're half dead. You're sleeping. You only observe one thing at a time. You are about to die. So you tell like us, if you can come back to the brain, you can die, but but if you have a good regulation of the brain, eating sleeping regularly, you will not have you will not have you will not have half alive, half dead. But you're taking a measurement of the state, measurement of the state. So you implement the state. So it's like initially the understand gonna have okay, I do not go. That was stupid way to do this stuff. Basically, you're gonna have SI, PSI, measurement of PSI. You're gonna have that inverse PSI. Basically, you're gonna be measuring something. You're gonna measure half reality. You can start measuring half reality, and then measure what dreams go from. So it's a dream model. If you're half alive, you are half in a dream. If you're half dead, you're not dreaming, you're not hallucinating, but the men doing that. So events that are gonna happen, you're gonna have a half dream state. And that dream state is what keeps you occupied. And it keeps you occupied. So this is what will keep you. So I'm just this model for so you're gonna have half dead, half occupied, half dead, half occupied. So half occupied is you either being in the state. Listen, you're gonna have a sequence of dead. You're gonna have a sequence of flash, dead flash, filter dead, filter dead, filter dead, filter dead, flash dead, filter, filter dead, flash dead, flash, filter, flash dead, filter occupied in your dream. Okay. And then you're gonna have filter dead, flash occupied. So this will be your dream, flash occupied. Now, this flash occupied again, so flash is a sequence of stories of it in story before the knowledge and first knowledge. And flash dead before you go to sleep. When you finish that sleep, flash filter, filter occupied because you're occupied in your dream. Whatever attribute you do in your body, you are half dead. You can have filter dead, you can have filter occupied. These are more events that happen to you. Some bipolar. So you have more functional terms too. So, because if you're half here now, if you're half here in your body, bipolar model, if you're bipolar and you're sleeping, you're gonna be half here in the physical, half. You're gonna share that space as an uh, uh, occupied state of concentration, occupied state of concentration. It can be occupied here and now, past and present, here and now. Because here you see permanent here, but it's not it's really just yeah. So it's supposed to have something of different perspectives. What is so let me go to this. So now we take this now. So as you can see here now, this is in here, this is in here now, half now, everything go up. So half here now. But here, half here in space, half here in time, half here in time, half here in time, half here, half here, uh, half here space, half here time, half here, half here, half here, half here, half here, Yeah. It's, so, I think this is a bit of this. So, what am I doing how do you want it? So, say you want to take a measurement of system that, say someone says you are have an observer, look at your, someone is observing why you sleep, and you have someone still asleep. What would that look like? You will have someone focusing on you. So you will see a system of, you will know the first focus, first measurement of the consciousness. So, really, really, this applies to radar systems, radar, quantum radar, means for attackers coming. So if I take a, so if I convert it into a measure of matter, and once it comes to get waves, this is a measure of system. Then look at one way, let's look at having consciousness. And that's something that's seen with consciousness in natural, currents doesn't even shift in seconds. So that's not what it is. Someone starts to wake you up, you're trying to and you are now actually physically touching you. You're aware of that thing. You're aware of what the consciousness does. The consciousness, the friendship consciousness does. So, because you are half here now, and because you're half here now, you are perceiving time as a circle in space, as a space bubble, bubble in space. So, so you can understand what I'm saying. So, how is pragmatically, look at my eyes here. Look at my eyes. So, say I am in the state of this logo here. So, I'm observing a computer. Computer, one computer. Um, the quantum system have is the system which have another way from the norm. When I open my eyes, it becomes instant digital. Instant digital. Digital now of digital. What I'm talking with, see, when I have another wave, up down, I have, I'm observing the world around me, and all I can see is digital. Now, what I see digital, now, digital means I'm pressing digital. I look at this kind of digital aspect, electrical digital platform. Everything is a digital platform. Nothing is electrical. So anything that comes into my domain has to either be tuned out or digital. All these things I cannot see. I'm possible to see the true nature of information as it is because I can only process digital. I mean, I can observe this so I can look at other ways. But I cannot tell you it's another wave, because it is possible. Because the amount of things that is the argument, so I'm saying that there's a person asking the duty. Yes. So, the system what's over here, the two models of it. So, if I then close my eyes, I take in digital waves, I take in the same digital waves, and process them as analog from speaking, and open the crap, and open them as analog. I take in what information I have, so this is insurance, what I have. So if I have digital waves, digital wave, square waves, square waves, square waves, then I have square waves and structure, and I open my eyes up. I'm seven seconds like I'm looking at a product eye. I have an eye, and an eye basically circle. I'm taking a measurement of system, and then probably get uh, with, this is what vice versa too. You know, work that vice versa. You have drug model of it. So this is one. This is always you open your eyes. You get and I'm then when it goes through me, my eyes, I go from digital to analog because I see a digital universe as waveform. And since I'm teaching my eyes here, with a computer, I'm seeing the opposite. So my laptop will have my laptop will have opposite. So my one will take any wave. So just I can observe. off. So take things off, take any just wave, any need to wave, square wave, square wave and sine wave, included. So you can have an output so to so to you can have something if the output is off, and there's you try to send information to Europe, which is either digital format or square wave, square wave, which of will not respond to it. There will be and the main problem of the people can see that police station. If you go to the stadium, if you go if you go if the computer is literally designed to work so you see this here. If you have this power, if you have if you have electric signal, it will come back as a magnetic wave when you either turn it on or off. That's what I'm saying. If you come back, take measure the screen as square, and the computer has eyes, and the computer. So basically, if I have an electric signal, and I put it through a computer, and that is computer that is separates electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic still I mean, magnetic also produces now be the magnetic spectrum. So it's an EM wave spectrum. So these are called the electromagnetic filter flash magnetic memory spots. Filter flash magnetic memory. So basically, memory this point because when the computer shuts off, you start seeing it's because it works on the red red neutral the flow. It doesn't matter this way from electro radio wave, microwave, infrared, ultraviolet infrared, visible light. So you have a radio wave. The radio wave has a potential minus 8 nanometers. 10 to the minus 8 nanometers. Then a 10 to the minus 6, 10 to the minus 4, and 10 to the minus 2. Visible light, it's visible in the light spectrum. You can have measurement of system based on the kind of the movement behavior of it. Because this one system is push you half awake, half is half on. That means you take a measurement regardless, and that means you can reflect something that's observing it. Or universe observing digital to measurement. Continue observing of stuff for a tree. Basically, if there's a tree and the tree has falls ground, it can make a sound. Yes, make a sound. It doesn't need to make a sound, so it can make sound. Because it's no need to be processed. It's a process from the tree doesn't make a sound. So basically, if an apple comes from a tree and there's no to hear it, you don't need to make a sound. You need to hear it. Because hearing is waveform is a waveform, and the waveform is based on the central model. So this model, if an apple ever falls from a tree, and there's no direct observer of it, and we shoot our eyes to it, we don't hear the wave. But if you close your eyes, you will not observe it in the tree. So the very point is if you're not observing if you're in the forest and an apple falls, and there's no one to hear it. There's no one to hear it, guys. That means the apple. If in the forest, that would hear the sound. Make a sound. If you're not there to hear it, you're not there to hear it. You're not there in the forest at all, and there's an apple in the tree. There's no sound. No, because our ears are not in the forest. We're in the city, so it doesn't make sound. But if in the forest and you close your eyes, and you see the music sound, the sound is electronic, so we hear more by seeing less. Because no one sees to see it. We shut our eyes literally. So that's this one. So this is how quantum world works. Inside the system, we can kind of problems. Measurement of system, you can have a circle. Well, let's see, you can have a system or measure. So this is a block here. Blocks of use of Bravo, that's a little. You get a half your phases, which are quadrants, you get a half your hundreds of a half the phi. So if I have if I have if I say this well, I'm using blocks here, okay, and I have a two measurement of here, here. Let's say I take a half a measurement, half a measurement. This is my circle. Actually, I take half a measurement, and then I get this one here. Then this one's a web. This one's a web. Well, I don't think this is so I get one full measurement. So let's get half a measurement. If we get half a measurement, full measurement of proton. So now we're going to a particle proton. And that means I didn't take a measurement. That means someone else took a measurement, and so on. The system is affecting the whole system. And it's not used to giving by the way. Because I took half a measurement, I do a full measurement. And that means that the full measurement is like someone's speaking the radio system. So if you do this readout, that means someone's trying to communicate with the radar. It can be a threat, it can be something else, it can be good or bad, uncertainty. So that's the goal of happening the problem that I'm trying to deal with right now. But it's a quantum problem because it works on kind of phase, quantum phase, the cross check, you can drop it, absolutely, the blocks here. So the blocks here is the condition of the system that works on every option the half major problem is very important to understand. Even though about to measure anticipation of quarter measurement. So, half the measure, quarter measurement. This is what I was trying to maybe put one quarter measurement later.